Hello, God. How are you? I can't see you, but I've been told that you see me, that you know me, and that you will listen to me. I come to you today because I've heard that you are the master of life, that your love reaches each of us, and that you hold solutions for every problem. I'm not an expert in prayer, but I will try to explain to you what I'm going through. God, I'm not doing well. I'm going through an extremely difficult time, and I feel exhausted by life. I've tried many things to cope. I smoke, I drink, I use drugs, and I do whatever might give me a little relief or make me forget my pain, but nothing works. In fact, everything seems to be getting worse. Every day, dark thoughts overwhelm me, and I wonder if life is still worth living. By sheer chance, I heard about you. They say that you declared in your word, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." You promise peace to those who come to you. You promise to help and to transform hearts. So today, I give you everything. Please help me, because I can't take it anymore. Take control of my life and do what only you can do. Thank you, Lord, for listening to me, and thank you in advance for your help. I choose to trust you and to wait for your intervention. I've been told that I must ask you for everything in the name of your Son, Jesus Christ. So, through Jesus Christ I pray. Amen.